guys, welcome back to my channel, and we'll be doing onion oil and onion juice in this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end to get a full procedure of how to make the onion oil and onion juice. We know that onion oil is very good for the hair, and it contains antioxidants that helps to optimize the hair growth cycle, and also it helps to prevent hair fall. It nourishes the hair follicles, it restores lost nutrients to the hair scalp. We have to get your onions, either the white or the red onions. Peel the back of the onions. Make sure you peel the back properly. Now you split the onions into chunks, like slice it into different chunks. It's better, the smaller you slice, the better for the onions. So just make sure you slice the onions into smaller chunks. After slicing all your onions into the sizes you want, pour the onions into a jar. I try to use a jar that has a cover because I want it to be covered. So pour the onions into the jar. Remember, we'll be doing the onion oil and the onion juice. That is why I have two different jars. So if you want to just do the oil, you don't need to separate it, because I want to be using I'm going to be doing the juice and I'm going to be doing the oil. That's why I'm differentiating it into two different jars. So now we'll be going to the next step. I'll be using my coconut oil and olive oil as my essential oil. So my coconut oil came in the solid form, so I have to turn it into liquid. I scoop out like about 2 spoons of coconut oil from the main contents, and I turn it into liquid form by placing it in the microwave, so for just 30 seconds, and it's going to turn into liquid. You can see it's an organic coconut oil. Second oil I'll be adding is my olive oil. I try to like using the two. You can use only coconut oil if you want, but me, I just like exploring or being spontaneous in my natural additions to what I do. So will be the basic oils you'll be using is the olive oil and the coconut oil. So the next thing is I have to turn my coconut oil, because it's in the solid form. I have to turn it to liquid form. But if your coconut oil comes in liquid form already, you don't need to change it again. You don't need to heat it in the microwave. So I had to heat it in the microwave, and you can see how it came out to be. So at this point, I'm going to add the oil into the already chunked onions, and I'm going to be getting it ready to blend. Make sure you don't add any water when blending. You are going to blend with oil. It is the oil that will serve as the water. So add the oil and let the oil cover the onion properly. Make sure the onions saturated inside the oil. It will help. Mix it properly. Now we have 2 contents of onions chunked. I've separated it, for one for the onion oil and the second for the onion juice. Shake very well and let this sit for like 30 minutes before you start blending. So now I'm going to be blending one after the other. I'm going to start with the onion juice first. After pouring the oil inside the chunked onions, you let it sit for like 30 minutes. After blending, now this is time for us to sieve out our juice from the onion mixture. Add some oil again to make sure you get enough juice from the mixture, and I do a double sieving for my juice because I don't want any particles to sit in my hair. So what I do is I first sieve it with a normal sieve, then I use a cheesecloth also to sieve. Now it depends on how tiny your sieve is, but I think you can use two. You can see it's not, I can still see some tiny bits in there. So that is why I use my cheesecloth again to sieve that same content again. That is why it goes through a double sieving, and my juice always comes out very, 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 very smooth. At this point, I add my other essential oil to mask the smell of the onion. You can add any oil you want. Though the coconut oil has really masked the smell of the onion already, but you can still add any other essential oil you like. You can use peppermint oil or argan oil. I use argan oil here. Now we'll be going ahead to do the onion oil. Now we just completed the onion juice. Now doing the onion oil will require using a heat method. I blended the onions in the second chunks of onions and poured it in a pan. To leave this on low heat, and you have to continuously mix it. Remember that you do not use any water to blend when it is only oil you use to blend. So it is that oil you want to extract back from this mixture. Now you have to continuously mix it, and you have to wait till this mixture turns to brown or golden brown in color. You can see the onions has turned into brown, golden brown. Don't make it get burnt, but just let it get turned to brown. Now we are going to be extracting the shaft from the oil, and you can see the oil separated from the onion naturally. I did not add any other oil. It was just the oil I added before blending that all came out. can see how clear it is. It's so clear. All the shaft has been removed. There is no particles in there. Ready to be used on the hair, and you know that I add it to your scalp. Now I'll be adding my essential oil, the other oil I want to add. You can use any other oil, but you know I use argan oil. You can use peppermint oil, rosemary oil, lavender oil, any oil you like, or any oil you like the smell. You can use it to add, you can add that to your onion oil just to make it. So how do we apply this oil to the hair? How do we apply the juice to the hair, the onion juice or the onion oil? How to increase your hair growth with onion? You saturate a cotton pad with the onion juice. Use that saturated cotton wool or a cotton pad to dab your scalp with the onion juice. And once your entire scalp is covered, massage your scalp for a couple of minutes. Leave the juice on for about 15 minutes to an hour, and wash your hair with a mild shampoo off with the juice. But if it is the oil, you can leave the oil on your hair to sit in your hair if you don't mind the smell. But the juice, you try to wash it off. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly join my family. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and press the notification bell to receive notification for my next video. I'll be seeing you in my